Hello, my name is Lonnie and I live on the West Coast, and my husband Randall has been using the FOBO wheelie for 1 month now. I would recommend it for caregivers because it's very easy to use and it alerts me if there is a tire problem. Just like this, it's saying that it's under 80%, and it's been very easy to use. I think it gives more independence to Randall regarding his own safety and knowing when he needs to put in air. Prior to this, we did not have a sensor, and the brakes would go a little squishy so that he would know that he needed to add air.
My name's Randall from Portland, Oregon, and I've been using a wheelchair for about 9 years now and the FOBO wheelie for about a month. And it works as described. It shows you your tire pressure, just pulling up the app, or actually just using your Apple Watch, and it makes life just a little bit easier because you don't have to pull out your tire gauge or wonder, is it time to fill up my tires? And actually, the way it fits on the valve seals the valve a little bit more, and so it's actually kept the tire pressure up for longer than normal. So that's another thing that I didn't expect. I would recommend anything to a wheelchair user that makes their life easier. I'm a big proponent of technology and automation to help kind of fill the gaps that you have in your capabilities, and this just fits that bill. So, if you are interested in, making your life a little easier and giving yourself a little more peace of mind about, am I losing tire pressure or did I run over a nail? This would be something I would definitely recommend. So give it a shot.